Today at Secret Super Chef we have homemade pizza sauce. Why spend money on something that can be made very easily at home? In fact, much better than market bought. Do try this recipe. Let's begin. For this recipe, we'll need 1 medium onion. Cut the onion and place it in a chopper. This is a simple manual chopper. And I have added 10 to 12 garlic pods. Place the lid thoroughly. This manual chopper is very convenient and is easily available online. I would highly suggest investing in one. With this, the chopping and shredding becomes really very easy and very convenient. Within a few seconds, I have my desired consistency, super soft and very fine onion and garlic. This is what we'll need for our base. In a pot or a pan, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. This is not olive oil, this is common unflavored oil. Let this saute on slow flame. In the meanwhile, take some tomatoes. These are the Roma or the Bangalore variety. Cut them and also place them in the chopper. Along with the tomatoes, let's add handful of fresh basil leaves. These are homegrown, that's why I'm using just handful since they are very flavorful. Again, completely chop the tomatoes and basil. If you like a chunky pizza sauce, adjust the consistency while chopping. We prefer a finer texture, so I'm going to chop it thoroughly and very finely. For this recipe, I have used 12 Roma tomatoes. This is the exact consistency of the tomatoes and it will result in nice finer pizza sauce. While we were chopping our tomatoes, the base, that is the onion and the garlic, have nicely got sauteed. We don't really want a dark golden brown color here, just a slight goldenish color. So to this, add our chopped tomatoes. Adjust the salt as per your taste. Add 2 teaspoons dried oregano. This is tomato ketchup. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon here. Mix everything together. Let our sauce simmer for 30 to 45 minutes till it changes its color and the oil starts to release. The longer you cook, the more creamier and tastier it becomes. Here, our pizza sauce is all ready. This is a very versatile sauce. We use it on our pizzas, on our bruschettas, in our pasta, with avocado and toast. The list goes on. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.